Hello everyone, welcome to CA Foundation Law Revision Lecture Series. In this video series, we will revise the 60 marks law syllabus which is applicable for CA Foundation exam. तो आज के इस वीडियो में हम रिवाइज करेंगे द LLP एक्ट 2008. रिवीजन लेक्चर का फॉर्मेट कैसे रहेगा, तो हम कुछ पास्ट 3 अटेम्प्ट्स के RTPs और क्वेश्चन पेपर्स में से इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस इस लेक्चर में डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. Our first question is, what is the meaning of the limited liability partnership and state the various characteristics of it? This question can come for 5 marks, where we have to give a basic snapshot of limited liability partnership and then we have to state its various characteristics in a bullet form. So what is LLP? The LLP is a new form of legal business entity with limited liability. It is an alternative corporate business vehicle that not only gives the benefit of limited liability at a low compliance cost but allows its partners the flexibility of organizing their internal structure as traditional partnership. LLP is a separate legal entity, and while the LLP itself will be liable for the full extent of its asset, the liability of the partners will be limited. LLP is an alternative corporate business form that gives the benefit of limited liability of a company and flexibility of partnership. Since LLP contains elements of both corporate structure as well as partnership firm structure, LLP is called a hybrid between company and partnership. Why we are calling LLP is a new form of business? Because prior to 2008, that is LLP Act was enacted in India in 2008. Prior to that, in India, the business forms were like proprietorship, partnership, and companies. There was also a unique business form in India, which is a HUF, Hindu Undivided Family. But the concept of LLP was only introduced in 2008, which is the latest concept of a business in India. What was the necessity of LLP? Because the compliance cost of company is very high and the liability in partnership firm is not limited. मतलब अगर पार्टनरशिप फर्म की कुछ लायबिलिटी है और पार्टनरशिप फर्म के एसेट्स आर नॉट सफिशिएंट फॉर दैट लायबिलिटी, देन द पार्टनर्स हैज टू पे द मनी फ्रॉम देयर पर्सनल एसेट. तो LLP ने वो डर निकाल लिया. इन LLP only LLP's assets are liable for that liability. No personal asset of partners can be used to repay the liability of LLP. At the same time, the compliance cost of LLP is very low as compared to company. Since the LLP contains elements of benefit from partnership as well as company, it is a hybrid form of a business. Now we will move to the characteristics of LLP. Characteristics of LLP are very simple. There are total 16 points which we have to remember. Point number 1, LLP is a body corporate. We all know what is a body corporate. As per the LLP Act 2008, Section 2, Subsection 1D, the LLP is a body corporate formed and incorporated under this Act. LLP is having a perpetual succession. The LLP can continue its existence irrespective of change in partners. Death, insanity, retirement और insolvency of partners has no impact on existence of LLP. इसका मतलब भले पार्टनर्स चेंज हो जाए, पार्टनर्स की डेथ हो जाए या पार्टनर रिटायर्ड हो जाए, LLP के सक्सेशन में कुछ भी फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. LLP का एग्जिस्टेंस एज इट इज रह जाता है. सेपरेट लीगल एंटिटी. LLP इज अ सेपरेट लीगल एंटिटी irrespective of their partners. Mutual agency. No partner is liable on account of the independent or unauthorized actions of other partner. Thus, individual partner are shielded from joint liability created by another partner's wrongful business decision or misconduct. In other words, all partners will be the agents of the LLP alone. So, LLP gives this benefit as compared to partnership firm, whereas in partnership firm, you are liable for the actions of your partner. In LLP, you are not liable for action of your partner. Then LLP agreement. Rights and duties of the partners within LLP are governed by an agreement between the partners. The Act also provides the flexibility to partners to draw the agreement as per their choice. In case if such agreement is not there, the mutual right and duties shall be governed by the provisions of the LLP Act 2008. So here one more flexibility given by the LLP Act, that the duties and rights are governed by the LLP agreement, whereas in a company the duties and rights are governed by the Companies Act only. Artificial legal person. LLP is an artificial legal person because it is created by legal process. So the firm is not an artificial legal person. It doesn't have existence apart from their partners because it is created by way of a deed, the contract between partners, whereas the LLP is created by way of a legal process mentioned in the LLP Act. Since it is an artificial legal person, it can do everything which any natural person can do, except of course that it cannot be sent to a jail, cannot take a oath, cannot marry or get divorce. Common seal. LLP being an artificial person can act through its partners and designated partners, and it may have a common seal if it decides to have. Common seal का मतलब क्या? In simple language, LLP can have its own stamp, its own signature. Limited liability. Every partner of LLP is, for the purpose of the business of LLP, the agent of LLP. But the liability of a partner will be limited to their agreed contribution in LLP. For example, LLP के एसेट्स है 9 लाख रुपए के और LLP के ऊपर लायबिलिटी आ जाते हैं 10 लाख की, तो LLP के एसेट्स में से कितनी लायबिलिटी पे हो जाएगी? 9 लाख की लायबिलिटी पे हो गई. अभी जो बचा हुआ 1 लाख है, फॉर दैट कैन यू सू द पार्टनर ऑफ LLP? सो नो, द पार्टनर्स लायबिलिटी इज लिमिटेड ओनली टू द एक्सटेंट ऑफ हिज कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन. तो अगर उसने उसका कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑलरेडी LLP को दिया हुआ है तो उसको एडिशनल कुछ देने की जरूरत नहीं है. मैनेजमेंट ऑफ बिजनेस. द पार्टनर्स इन द LLP आर एंटाइटल्ड to manage the business of LLP. However, only designated partners are responsible for its legal compliances. Minimum and maximum number of partners. Every LLP shall have at least 2 partners and shall also have at least 2 individuals as designated partners. Out of those designated partners, at least one shall be a resident in India. There is no maximum limit on the partners in LLP. Business for profit only. The essential requirement of forming LLP is carrying on a lawful business with a view to earn profit. Thus, LLP cannot be formed for charitable or non-economic purpose. Investigation. The central government shall have a powers to investigate the affairs of an LLP by appointment of competent authority for the purpose. Since the LLP is formed by way of legal procedure in the Act has given power to a central government for investigation in the affairs of the LLP. Compromise or arrangement. Any compromise or arrangement including merger amalgamation of LLP shall be in accordance with the provisions of LLP Act 2008. Conversion into LLP. A firm, private company or an unlisted public company would be allowed to be converted into LLP in accordance with the Act. E-filing of document. Every form or application of document required to be filed or delivered under this Act and rules made thereunder shall be filed in computer readable electronic form on its website. The website is www.mca.gov.in and authenticated by a partner or designated partner of LLP by the use of electronic or digital signature. Foreign LLPs. Section 2 also defines foreign limited liability partnership as a limited liability partnership formed, incorporated or registered outside India which established as a place of business within India. Foreign LLP can become a partner in an Indian LLP. So these are the characteristics of LLP. If you are interested in joining our free of cost demo lecture series, please join our Facebook group as mentioned in the description below this video.